Yeah, Hamid. So how many you sell a day?
A day is more than 300 like that. But some still lessons from the agriculture still was left for the packing room. The one you help us to build it, we already built it. So we'll get the lesson, we'll go full swing.
Luas ya. Karena food standards is very strict these days.
What chicken?
Mana kali lain?
Anggo laylay.
3 in the middle.
Yeah, 3.
And this one?
15.
15.
Yeah. This is the chicken our bread.
Oh, this is your bread?
Yeah.
Halal.
Ah. This one, the leg and the head, all is going out. Even chicken feet going 3 lakh kg. The head is going 2 lakh kg. Nothing is wasted from the chicken.